Talking faster. Informal contractions. Part 1. English in color. Wanna. Want to. Wanna. 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 Wanna go out for dinner? I wanna eat some pizza. This pizza is good. Wanna try? Gotta. Got to. Or have to. Gotta. I gotta go shopping. Wanna come? Can't. Gotta do my homework. Okay, see you later then. Gotta go. Gimme. Give me. Gimme. 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 I gotta fix this. Could you give me a hand? Sure. Just give me a sec. All right. Gimme a shout when you're ready. LEMME. Let me. LEMME. 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 What is that? Let me see. Not sure. Let me look it up online. Okay. Let me know when you find out. That's all for today. Please share and subscribe. See you next time.